प्रमोसन चलिरहेको छ सर। अन्त यो अब डुवर्सको फिल्म दार्जिलिङको नानीहरू छ, सिक्किमको नानीहरू छ होइन। अन्त हामी लक्की भयौँ कि यहाँ सरले, हाम्रो विक्रम सर, कोमल म्यामहरूले कि हाम्रै प्राङ्गणमा मास कम स्टुडेन्टहरूकोसँग बसेर नानीहरूलाई इन्टरेक्सन होस्, ग्रिट एन्ड मिट होस् भनेर हामी आयौँ। र मलाई राम्रो लाग्यो नानीहरूसँग बसेर फिल्म मेकिङको कुराहरू र हाम्रो फिल्मको प्रमोसन 14 तारिक रिलिज हुँदैछ। तपाईँहरूले पनि प्रमोसनमा ट्रेलर हेर्नुभयो होला, कस्तो लाग्यो, के लाग्यो हजुरहरूले पनि भनिदिनुहोस्।
फर्स्ट नेपाली मुभी है?
हजुर, मेरो फर्स्ट नेपाली।
तपाईँको यसो ब्याकग्राउन्डहरू सुन्दाखेरि तपाईँ मुम्बई है हिमाई काम गर्नुहुन्छ के वाट मोटिभेटेड यु टु डु नेपाली मुभी?
मोटिभेट भन्दाले अरू मेरो लाइनअप छ ओटिटी, हिन्दी ओटिटीहरू, तर मेरो बर्न एन्ड बटअप अब टी गार्डनमा यतै भएर त्यहाँदेखिको मेरो कलेजको आफ्टर कलेज उता जाँदाखेरि अन्त त्यो मनमा त रहन्छ नि त, आफ्नो माटो आफ्नो हुँथ्यो। अब मलाई त्यहाँ त पुग्दा मेरो प्रोजेक्ट्सहरू नहुन्थ्यो हुन त केही थिएन। बट आई थिङ्क फ्रम लास्ट 3-4 इयर्स मेरो ड्याडको त्यो मेजर एक्सिडेन्ट हुँदाखेरि हामीले प्रोडक्सन हाउस यता पनि सेटअप गऱ्यौँ, जुन बम्बईमा छ, यता पनि सेटअप गर्दाखेरि अन्त मलाई एउटा मौका पाएँ मेरो नानीहरूसँग जोडिने, कलेजहरूमा नानीहरू, त्यही नानीहरू इन्टर्नसिप गर्दै हाम्रो फिल्मको पार्टमा पनि छ, मुम्बईमा पनि छ। अन्त त्यसले एउटा उत्यो भयो कि होइन केही गर्नुपर्छ। अनि त्यो अन्तरालमा 3-4 सालमा चाहिँ म कमर्सियल गर्छु, बेसी एड फिल्म्सहरू गर्छु र त्यो गर्दा अन्त अब एउटा हाम्रो डुवर्सको कथा भन्ने इच्छा थियो। अनि त्यसलाई सिनेमाटोग्राफी वेमा पनि होस् या डिजाइनिङ हरेक चिजमा मैले एकदम राख्नु खोजेको, जस्तो चाहिँ हाम्रो डुवर्स देखिन्छ त्यहाँको भएको भित्रको कथा चाहिँ देखाउनु खोजेको। र धागोको सम्बन्ध यस्तो छ कि एउटा पात्र यस्तो छ जसले चाहिँ अर्को मान्छेलाई भनेर चिनेको मात्र छ, तर पनि सम्बन्ध गाँसिएको छ। जस्तो चाहिँ हामी यो कम्युनिटीमा बसेको, हरेक कम्युनिटीलाई मिलिएर बसेको कम्युनिटीमा कस्तो जोडिएको छ, त्यसरी नै सम्बन्ध, त्यो सम्बन्ध चाहिँ हेर्नुपर्ने।
हामी त धागो भन्दा त निकै लामो हुन्छ नि, लभ हुन्छ, फ्यामिली हुन्छ, यसमा चाहिँ के चाहिँ क्ल्यारिटी छ?
यसमा क्ल्यारिटी यो छ, लभ, इमोसन र ड्रिम चाहिँ हुनु पऱ्यो। त्यो ड्रिम चाहिँ मोटिभेटेड ड्रिम हो, त्यो चाहिँ अब फिल्ममा कतिवटा चिज रिभिल गरिनँ। अनि हजुरहरूले त्यो हेऱ्यो भने लाइक
यो सुटिङ चाहिँ डल्लै कहाँ भयो?
सुटिङ डल्लै डुवर्समा भएको, एन्ड 3.5 सालदेखिको भइरहेको थियो। फिल्म म्याग्नेट प्रोडक्सन हाउसले आस्ते आस्ते गरिरहेको थियो। पछि साथीहरू पनि जोड्यो, को प्रड्युसरमा हाम्रो साथीभाइहरू 2-3 जना साथीभाइहरूले पनि जोड्यो कि होइन हुनुपर्छ भने, किनभने फिल्म मेकिङ, फिल्म बनाउनु ठुलो कुरा होइन, त्यसलाई डिस्ट्रिब्युट गर्नु र इन्डिया र नेपाल 2 जग्गा एकै दिन, त्यो अलग्गै टास्क हो फेरि। अन्त त्यसले गर्दा फेरि मैले यो फिल्म कम्प्लिट गर्नु सकेको कारण चाहिँ मसँग यत्रो सालदेखिको काम गरेको साथीहरू बम्बईबाट, सबै सिनेमाटोग्राफर होस् या एडिटर होस् या अरू टेक्निसियन होस् या मेरो फिल्म म्याग्नेटको नानीहरू, सबैको साथ सपोर्ट छ र तपाईँहरूको समक्ष हामीले यो फिल्म लिएर आउँछ।
तपाईँले जुन चाहिँ मुभी बनाउँछ कुन चाहिँ टार्गेट अडियन्सलाई लिएर चाहिँ
यो मेरो यो टार्गेट अडियन्स एकदम रियलमा भनेपछि हाम्रो डुवर्सलाई र इन्डियामा र तपाईँको नेपालमा मैले मेरो टार्गेट अडियन्स चाहिँ हाम्रो जति पनि आमा बाबाहरू छ र नानी, अहिले जस्तो कलेजमा आयौँ हामीहरू, यत्रो दिनदेखिको स्कुल कलेजमा गइरहेको छ, तिनीहरूलाई एउटा ट्रिगर चाहिँ होस् फिल्मले। अन्त मेरो टार्गेट अडियन्स मोस्टली जेन्जिसहरू र आमा बाबाले हेर्दाखेरि भनोस् नानीहरूलाई यस्तो छ हेर, बुझ्यो भने इट्स अ सोसियल मेसेज ड्रामा, केही त्यस्तो त्यो छैन। बट यस, अडियन्सलाई बोर हुने छैन, जे हाम्रो गाउँघरमा हुन्छ त्यो देखिन्छ।
कति घन्टाको मुभी होला
यो? 2 घन्टा 20 मिनटको हुन्छ र यसमा बुद्धि तामाङले हँसाएको छ, बिचमा हिरोइनले आफ्नो इमोसन देखाएको छ, हिरोले केटा मान्छे कस्तो हुन्छ कति बेला नबोलेर पनि धेरै कुरा हामीहरू, एउटा सबैले छोरी मान्छेको कथा दिएको छ, वुमेन इम्पावरमेन्ट भन्छु, वुमेन इम्पावरमेन्टको कथा दिएको छ, वुमेन इम्पावरमेन्टमै छ, तर त्यसमा पनि गापिएको एउटा पात्र छ जो चाहिँ एउटा छोरा मान्छेको पात्र। हरेक पात्रलाई चाहिँ निहाल्नु खोजेको छ फिल्ममा भएको हरेक पात्रलाई, त्यो सानो होस् या ठुलो होस्। थ्याङ्क यू सो मच।
अलिकति ट्राफिक साह्रो पर्दो रहेछ नि यता हिल स्टेसन छ अनि सानो बाटो छ, एन्ड वी हेभ बिन रनिङ अ लट फर प्रमोसन। एक्चुअली मुभी मेकिङ इज भेरी इजी, बट वेन इट कम्स टु प्रमोसन यु आर डेड। So you have to be ready for everything if you really want to be into showbiz. That's what we call it. नमस्ते, मेरो नाम सुरक्षा बोल्का हो। म नेपाली कलाकार, नेपालमा मैले काम गरेको लगभग 10 वर्ष भइसक्यो नेपाली सिनेमामा मैले अहिलेसम्म गन्ने हो भने 15देखि 20वटा नेपाली फिचर फिल्महरू गरिसकेकी छु। अलिकति आफ्नो पहिचानको परिचयको कुरा गर्नु पर्दाखेरि हो मलाई राष्ट्रिय अवार्ड राष्ट्रिय पुरस्कारले सम्मान गर्नुभएको छ। कान इन्टरनेसनल फिल्म फेस्टिभल द प्रेस्टिजियस वान, त्यहाँ रातो कार्पेटमा हिँड्ने पहिलो नेपाली कलाकार भनेर पनि सम्मान प्राप्त भएको छ। And I request college, please update the projector. I'm sure I'm just a third person here, but it's very important. हामी पनि कलेजमा पढ्दाखेरि हाम्रो सानोतिनो गुनासोहरू रहिरहन्थ्यो अनि सबैजना मिलेर त्यसलाई चाहिँ कलेजको डिपार्टमेन्टसँग पुर्याउने कोसिस गर्छौँ होला। सायद कतिपय खण्डमा सुनिँदैन अथवा सम्भव हुँदैन, तर हामीले बुझेर मिलाएर जे आवश्यक छ त्यो चाहिँ चाहिन्छ नै भन्नुपर्छ। I would like to wish you all the best that next time we get a really good projector. Please have a clap for that. And I would like to wish you already an advance congratulations that the college is going to hit 100th century. Is that? Yes. Congratulations, guys. That's amazing. Prestigious college. Thank you for having me here, our team here. मलाई चाहिँ नेपाल वाली होस् अथवा पाली होस्, हामी सबैले एउटा समान धरातल सेयर गर्छौँ। भाषागत हिसाबले, संस्कृतिको हिसाबले, परम्परागत हिसाबले, ऐतिहासिक हिसाबले र अहिले त आर्टको हिसाबले पनि, कलाको हिसाबले पनि। सो त्यो भागले गर्दाखेरि वारीबाट पारी आउँदै गर्दा अथवा पारीबाट वारी आउँदै गर्दा आफ्नै घर आँगन आए जस्तो लाग्छ। तपाईँहरू समक्ष उभिँदा तपाईँहरू मध्ये नै मै हुँ जस्तो लाग्छ। यो आत्मीयता सधैँ कायम रहोस् भन्न चाहन्छु। मास कम्युनिकेसन एन्ड जर्नलिजमको स्टुडेन्ट्सहरू हुनुहुँदो रहेछ। हाम्रो सिनेमा क्षेत्रमा एउटा अभिन्न अङ्गको रूपमा रहेको पक्ष भनेको सञ्चार माध्यम पनि हो। हामीले गरेको कामहरूमा प्रकाश पार्ने, हामीलाई फिडब्याक दिने, हाम्रो इन्टरभ्युजहरू लिने, हामीले खेलेको सिनेमाहरूलाई क्रिटिसाइज गर्ने, रिभ्युजहरू लेख्ने, भनौँ न एउटा महत्त्वपूर्ण अङ्ग भनिन्छ नि राज्यको, त्यो चाहिँ तपाईँहरू हुँदै हुनुहुन्छ है बिस्तारै। त्यही भएर कलालाई अलिकति मजाले बुझ्नु पनि आवश्यक छ। हजुरहरू एकदमै महत्त्वपूर्ण खण्ड हो। I would like to wish you all the best for your journey, that you guys are going to get a really, really amazing team, maybe as a journalist, maybe as a filmmaker, or maybe in any creative field you want to go. The importance of art is when you want to say something, when you want to change something, when you want to influence something, the straight language might not be effective, but you have some other way to tell it. And that language is the language of art. Movie is something that has come as a blessing to me. म चाहिँ प्रोफेसनली भन्नुपर्दा अथवा एकाडेमिकली भन्नुपर्दा एउटा सिभिल इन्जिनियर हो। मैले सिभिल इन्जिनियरिङ कम्प्लिट गरेर बसेको विद्यार्थी, बिल्डिङमा काम गर्थेँ, साइटमा काम गर्थेँ। मैले कहिले पनि सोचेको थिइनँ म सिनेमाको हिरोइन कलाकार भएर चाहिँ अगाडि बढ्छु भनेर, तर समटाइम द डेस्टिनी इज सो अमेजिङ, म्याजिकल। Doing engineering and doing part-time job as a television host. I used to do entertainment program in Pioneer Television in Nepal. And then somebody saw me on television, a very, very pioneer director in Nepal. उहाँले मलाई टिभीमा देख्नुभयो अनि मलाई अब के लाग्यो, he thought that I had expressions and I'm really good for movies. You are made for silver screen. You have to come in the camera. यसरी मलाई भन्नुभयो. And I told him that I'm already in the camera. I'm doing things in my television. No, the larger scale. You have to come into the larger scale of telling stories. अनि उहाँले मलाई opportunity दिनुभयो. I was quite rebellious kid. I really wanted to do new things in my life. I wanted to explore, adventurous थिएँ अनि यो मौका आउने बित्तिकै मलाई ग्राब गर्नु मन लाग्यो. Let's try it. What's gonna happen if I don't like it? I'm gonna go back. I have engineering and all that. So I was very unserious about it. But once I did my first movie, मेरो पहिलो सिनेमा गर्ने बित्तिकै it clicked. मलाई रियलाइज भयो कि मैले मनैदेखि गर्न सक्ने, मेरो पूर्ण रूपमा आफ्नो शिल्प, मेरो साधना, मेरो सोचलाई खन्याउन सक्ने, मेरो विल पावरलाई मिक्स गर्न सक्ने र 100% कुनै चिजलाई चाहिँ दिन सक्ने क्षेत्र भनेको त यहाँ पो रहेछ त. So that might happen to you guys. You never know what might click in your life as your passion, as your future. You have to be ready for everything. And what helps? Education, of course. If you're educated, you can figure out what's good and what's bad for you. So I would definitely like to request, it might sound layman that we have to study, but that is the fact, guys. We have to study really good. जीवनमा शिक्षा भयो भने तपाईलाई कसैले पनि छुन सक्दैन. तपाईँ आफै empowered मान्छे हो already, and you can do whatever you want to do in your life. Apart from that, sharing about the experience of Dhago. Dhago means thread. It's a connection. It symbolizes, the networking. The connection between what? It's a connection between human being, human emotion, family. र अलिकति फराकिलो दायरामा पनि हामीले कहिलेकाहीँ फिल्मलाई हेर्दाखेरि यो फिल्मले चाहिँ सिमाना बिचको आत्मीयताको कुरा पनि गर्छ. सो इट्स अ कनेक्सन बिट्विन बोर्डर्स एज वेल. सिम्पल फिल्म, इन्डी फिल्म अर्थात् इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट फिल्म जुन चाहिँ एकदम कम सीमित स्रोत साधनमा बनेको हुन्छ, रिसोर्सेसहरू हुँदैन, सानो ठाउँमा सानो मेकरहरूले केही बनाउँ न त, यहाँको स्टोरी पनि भनौँ न त भनेर आँट्ने एउटा इक्जाम्पल हो धागो. डुवर्स भन्ने सुन्नु भएको छ हजुरहरूले? Doors, this is the movie which was shot in Doors, very small, very regional place, very raw, and I think potential enough to be one of the nice place. त्यो ठाउँको कथा भन्ने मौका दिनुभयो. त्यसको लागि मैले के गर्नु पर्थ्यो, त्यहाँ गएर उहाँहरूको भाव बुझ्नु पर्यो, मनोविज्ञान बुझ्नु पर्यो, उहाँहरू कसरी बाँच्नुहुन्छ, के गर्नुहुन्छ, यो सबै कुरा बुझ्नु पर्यो. द्याट वाज माई होमवर्क. वी डु द्याट एज आवर होमवर्क, द्याट अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ द सोसाइटी, द माइन्डसेट अफ द पिपल, बिकज आई हेभ टु बी द क्यारेक्टर अफ द्याट प्लेस. नो, सो इट्स भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट टास्क फर अस एज एन एक्टर. सो एभ्रिबडी हेल्प मी. त्यहाँ भएको सबैजना लोकल मान्छेहरू, स्थानीय बासिन्दाहरूदेखि लिएर दिग्गज व्यक्तित्वहरूदेखि लिएर एउटा पदमा बस्नु भएको व्यक्तित्वहरू सबैले मलाई सहयोग गर्नुभयो. एन्ड सो द्याट आई क्यान प्रिपेयर दिस क्यारेक्टर. I'm no more close to that, but I think I've tried my best, and I hope you'll watch the movie and give me feedback. नेपालमा चाहिँ कहिलेकाहीँ कस्तो गर्नुहुन्छ भने मास कम्युनिकेसन र जर्नलिजमको स्टुडेन्टहरूले हाम्रो फिल्म हेर्न जानुहुन्छ अनि आफ्नै ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा रिभ्यूहरू लेख्नुहुन्छ कि अनि हामीलाई पठाइदिनुहुन्छ. त्यो रिभ्यू चाहिँ यस्तो प्योर र हाम्रोलाई चाहिँ एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छ. मोस्ट अफ द मेन स्ट्रिम मिडिया मास is quite influenced, you know that, because they have their own thought process. They are tied to some kind of opinion already, so they cannot be free. So they cannot give us the honest opinion. So we always seek that honest opinion from the students like you who are trying to pursue a career in mass communication and journalism. So I would like to request, please go and watch and give us some feedback. I would love to read your reviews for our movie. So yeah, it's going to get released on 14th November. It's a small film. भोलिको दिनमा तपाईहरुलाई पनि यसरी फिल्म बनाउनु मन लाग्ला. फिल्मको अन्य विधाहरू पनि छ, cinematography, acting, so many things. If you really want to explore it, I would like to wish you all the best. It's amazing field, amazing field, because you can go crazy, go creative, and tell what you want to tell. And not just Doors, I'm looking forward to come up to the hills and tell the stories from here as well. I would love to stay here, be with you, know more about the place, so that I can also tell some untold story from the hilly areas of Darjeeling. You never know, let's hope. Wish us all the best. Thank you so much for your patience. I know listening is really, really tough. I used to sleep as well whenever there was any guest coming and talking. I used to sleep in the last bench. I was among the guys over there. But the last benchers will always do wonders. I'm sure about that. I would like to wish you guys all the best. Hope your future will be amazing. Thank you.
The first Nepali actress to represent Nepal in prestigious Cannes Film Festival. So let's welcome all of them and give a round of applause. Also to tell you, Suraksha Panta was also the National Film Award recipient, has been recipient in her life. So also congratulate her. That's also named in round of applause and our team. I'm very happy on behalf of our St. Joseph's College, Darjeeling. This is the self-finance section from the professors, HODs, and all the students, and especially on behalf of the St. Joseph's College principal, administrator, we heartily welcome you, and we wish you have a pleasant time with us as we look forward to see this beautiful movie Dhago. And what does it symbolize? I haven't seen the movie. I think 14 November is going to be released. And I was just following it up. We're going to be promotion activities in Siliguri, Ismail, and many places. So we're very happy to have you, sirs and ma'ams, and as the team. We have to welcome you on behalf of the St. Joseph's College, especially from the Department of Mass Comm and Journalism. And I hope our students and our faculties also will benefit by your presence and by the promotion of this movie Dhago. And best wishes to you and most welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So, this is my journey, and I think I did, as an assistant director, I did 16 to 17 films. Any questions, anything to add?
So, I have a small question for Matt.
And we are a little bit late today due to our promotional event and all. My name is Udip Rana, and I'm also like you guys before when I started my journey from West Bengal to Delhi and after that Mumbai, and now I'm here with my small production house, my wonderful talented team, and with Dhago. So we are in Dhago too, and this is a film which is very connected to our grassroots level. Well, our journey started. So before the journey, I just want to, I'm very happy, like I'm here with you guys, with all the students here, because I can see future director, future editor, future creative person, script writer, and many more, the actor and many more. And when after my 18 to 19 years, when I came Siliguri, at that time, I used to visit Inspiria, college Inspiria, and I used to take script writing classes or something in filmmaking. I think you guys watch Indian cinema, lots and lots of Indian cinema, which is in our subject. So at the time, I met with very talented kids like you all, and most of them are with us in this film also today. They are in the direction team, they are in the editing team, and mostly they are doing good with my Mumbai team, where they are doing many OTT projects, film, and many things. So we all are here for our Dhago, and it will release on 14th November. It's a very raw and a beautiful film, story that's connect with a human sentiment. And as a filmmaker, in my journey, I was like, I can't say anything in this art. This is naked art where we perform ourselves, our actor perform, they give their best, and for tomorrow, when you guys will be a filmmaker or join a production house or join a news channel or reality shows, at that time, the journey will be wonderful. The success is not that when you achieve, success is that journey. And my first film after my film school was Slumdog Millionaire, where I was a production assistant. And I met my director, I think after 15 days. I think you all watched Slumdog Millionaire, right? At that time, after my college, and I was like production assistant, and I was searching director, Danny, where he is. And I was like handling all the junior crowd, junior artists and all, everything. And after that project, I was in the media for India News, CNN, IBN and all, everything. But we used to do, दिमाग में कुछ तो चल रहा था कि नहीं यार फिल्म मेकिंग किया है, फिल्म मेकिंग कर रहे हैं, and all everything. And what I am doing in media house, where and we used to create the recreate story. And in the recreate story, journalism students are here. In recreate story, we used to play with Gileri and Congress House and BJP House. Our like whole day routine was that. But I was thinking, no, this is not what I need to be, where I belong to. I need to do something. And luckily, my first show was from Meditech. It was क्योंकि जीना इसी का नाम है, and it's a UNICEF show. And I started my career, and I got my very good mentor Umesh Bist, where he was a creative director and I assisted. And then my journey started. And रुकने का नाम ही नहीं था फिर. I don't need money, I don't need anything. I just want to assist more than 50 directors. And I think in my life I assisted more than 50 directors. I assisted more than 50 directors, and that gives me, whenever, while shooting this, I will share you a small experience. While shooting this also, if something I design a scene where like I want to shoot like this, or it can be a mise-en-scène or something like one line shoot where like in one of my favorite scene was in this film where Suraksha Panta ma'am, she's running behind the that bank man and like pleading for every help and all. That whole scene was mise-en-scène. And at that time, whenever I shoot or something, I feel like my 50 directors, they see like this. And they like, अगर अनुराग सर होते तो कैसे करते, अगर जेनी बॉल होते तो कैसे करते, अगर आयन मुखर्जी होता तो कैसे करता. But how Deep Rana will do? That's the most important key fact. And I can see a good filmmaker and a reporter, an actor, that should be there. That's different should be there between all you guys. And this is a very simple film. My last film was Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. And I set up a Savdhan India show, and I set up a Choti Sadarni, and I set up many shows. And for the youth, I set up MTV Web in Channel V, and for Channel V, and after that, Ye Hai Ashiki for the youth. Now we call JJs. And many shows was there. But my learning was never like stopping. Haar nahi manenge. Because when in filmmaking, when like you guys will pass out from college and after that you will do masters and all, and then you will assist in a production house or something when you start your journey, we misguide ourselves. We don't know what to do. And we think, no, we want to be this and that for only 2 months or 3 months or 4 months or 6 months. You have to have patience for at least 16 to 17 years. And trust me guys, it will help you. For me, when I reached Mumbai, नहीं यार मुझे film करना है. I can't do television. How can I do? When I completed my, I think 4,000 episode, 7-8 televisions, and I came to know Anurag Basu was also a television director. And at that time, television tell you how to play with time, how to manage with the scene. And film, as we know, you guys all are mass comm student. Cinema is the wider frame, what we think, what we see, and television is a small frame, closed medium, where we play with our expression, the actor's expressions, right? It's a very simple thing. And in this term, in filmmaking, the most important who played a vital role in my life, the filmmaker Ritik Ghatan. He was so passionate filmmaker. I think you guys will also watch whole this film, Make It Hathi Tara and Gopi Gain Bhaga Bhai. And it really touched me because when I went Delhi and I was doing my graduation, at that time my seniors were very much creative. One of he is good at 3D animation, and one is in now pass out from IIT Mumbai and all, and he's a world finest calligraphy artist. So they were so much charged up with their creativity. So in that 3 years, I utilized my 3 years with that craft, which turned into creativity, where my passion, no, मुझे filmmaking करनी है. And I started my journey filmmaking में, and trust me guys, it's a really wonderful thing. Tomorrow I will win or lose, I will make more 10 films. If I am thinking that I will make 10 films, then you guys should make 20 films. And film is that where you want to share your story. And after that, the technical thing comes, where like cinematography, where like sound, music, or something, many things, right? So this journey, my journey is very much beautiful for me because I learn everything every day, and I welcome you guys. After passing out, I will request sir to assist or to join Film Magnet Production House, where like you give your best, be a director, be a good filmmaker, and anything you guys want to ask, then I will come. I've just sum up with my film. Anything you guys want to ask? हाँ, acting skill will always boost you up. अगर डायरेक्टर ने थोड़ा सा सोचा होगा तो उसे इनहैंस ही मिलेगा, एक्टर से कुछ ज़्यादा ही मिलेगा. And I learned so much from her. And मेरे और दूसरे एक्टर, हमारे लीड एक्टर प्रभात सर, he is from Kalchini, our Dubai boy, a businessman, and he also he gave his best as a performer, and we will watch trailer also here.
Something like binds everybody, emotions, kala, singing, your culture, the person's characters, many will reflect themselves there. As we say, if you are touched by this particular film, perhaps you are success. Now, one of the things I observe is very like when I saw that particular scenario, it is from doers. I have been there roaming around for my own research and projects. It is something beautiful to connect to people and the reality, the stories, the ethos, the songs, the history that goes by. And congratulations, first of all, for choosing this beautiful name, the Dhago. I was just thinking about this Dhago. We have our own Buddhist Japamala is there, Dhago. We have rosaries, we have full mala, we have just everything that brings around everyone together. Now, one of the questions that I always ask is, this movies and media, it requires more than a talent, a passion. And I have seen my own friends who were from the Moscow and Viscom department in Chennai back then as students. They used to spend nightless times. They used to sleep 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. That goes on. At the same time, it takes a lot of patience, time, energy, and everything. But somehow I always fear as like you're in charge of the students, how to balance this. Sometimes I have seen many of these youngsters getting into drugs, getting into certain things that sustains them, gives them maybe all night energy to be awake. Also, there are many other streams. Nowadays, the media is so much that people want to change the stream. Some BBA want to do animations, somebody history want to do like ma'am did engineering and went to cinemas. They want to change early, very early. So I just still am looking for a mid path how to balance this life between the studies and the commitment and the passion. Any suggestions from you?
थैंक यू गाइस। आप लोग सब सुन रहे हो ना पीछे? सर ने अभी बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा और दिस फिल्म आप लोग देखना ये फिल्म और रियली कनेक्ट करेगा। हमारे फिल्म में सर ने जो बैलेंस की बात की है, हमारी फिल्म में कमिटमेंट, रिलेशनशिप एंड रेस्पेक्ट ये दिखेगा। अपने मॉम एंड डैड के लिए, अपने समाज के प्रति रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड द कमिटमेंट। तो उसमें सर के आंसर में एक छोटी सी बात है मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। व्हेन आई वाज इन DU, व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय मास्टर्स, मेरे मन में एक ही चीज होता था कि नहीं यार, I have to do good, I have to do good, I have to do good. I used to see my mom and dad, how they are doing. And जितने भी सारे बच्चे हैं यहाँ पर, either from दार्जिलिंग, सिक्किम और नॉर्थ ईस्ट और सब जगह के बच्चे, everybody जिसने भी मास कॉम चूज किया है, and I am 100% sure, आप लोग खुराफातियों से भरे हो। वो वही बच्चे मास कॉम करते हैं जर्नलिज्म, और जर्नलिज्म विल आल्सो टफ फॉर यू गाइस। जब आप लोग जर्नलिज्म करोगे वहां पर भी कमिटमेंट की बात आएगी, द न्यूज एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग। बट व्हेनेवर वी डू एज अ डायरेक्टर, नाउ फॉर द धागो, एज अ डायरेक्टर, एज अ फिल्म मेकर, एज अ प्रोड्यूसर एंड को प्रोड्यूसर्स आर आल्सो देयर, इफ आई एम नॉट लॉयल व्हाट आई डू, then I can't, this will be my end. I can't be success. My mentor, I was blessed. मेरे जितने भी seniors रहे, mentors रहे, I got a good environment. And sir, your answer in one line, the environment. This is how this film will say कि डोर्स के environment में पले बड़े and सब कुछ हुआ। तो हमारी छोटी सी बच्ची जब आप लोगों के जैसे एज में है, and ये बच्ची फिल्म के द्वारा उस माँ बाप का सपना पूरा करता है। और देन नेक्स्ट विल बी दैट आफ्टर 14 नवंबर। सो सर आपका जो बैलेंस आप जो ढूंढ रहे थे डूअर्स में, दैट आई थिंक यू शुड वॉच दिस। या प्लीज
Switch quickly into something else without completing what they are trying to do. Yeah, it's quite a, I don't know, I don't want to call it a problem, but that's how they are. I mean, today's generation has no little patience than us. They really want the quick result, of course, and that is the main reason. But I think it's also our responsibility, the people like you, the institution, the education. Are we passionate about what we are doing or not? So we need to make them aware about their passion, even in school. That if you are good at something, if you do that for a really long time with the consistency, you will gain the excellence. So excellence is what really important. I think that's how we can teach them. I hope you guys are doing that, I'm sure. So, if you don't mind, I just felt I am coming as a thought person and teaching so many things here to you, and I'm just an amateur person here. But my young time, youthful time, was something around that kind of conflict. I was an engineer and I was not happy with my job and all that. I wanted to quit and do something else, but I didn't know what do I want to do. So once something clicked, I focused on consistency and gaining the excellence. I think that should be done by every one of us.
I just wanted to tell you, I wanted to have some advice from you. This is not only our college problem, but in every college, in mass comm department, there are some students who think they know everything about the movie, so they do not go to learn new things. And there are some students who are just confused where to start, how to start. They don't even know which apps to use editing, how to use the camera. So I want you to give advice to both of these people. So one can those who don't want to learn, they can just go and learn. and those who do not like know anything, they can also like start, you know, just a big process and all. And yeah, also one more thing, like in college, like there's a suppose let me say an example. There's a one group, and in that group you have a cameraman, you have an editor, you have a scriptwriter, and there are some guys who don't know anything. They're just there. So then what happens? Those guys, they just support us in the like production, yeah, and in the production. But in the post production, it just comes to one person, and rest of them just log off. Just log off.
True.
Yeah. So just some advice from them, so how they can just learn from us and then maybe help
So
us.
he's telling his experience.
Not mine, not mine, not mine.
You are sharing your experience and भाई ये आप in filmmaking this is very true and concerned thing जो तुम्हारे आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है. यहाँ पर हम फिल्म मेकिंग जर्नलिज्म जब हम पढ़ते हैं कॉलेज डेज, कोई पढ़ता ही नहीं, सच बोले कोई नहीं पढ़ता. एंड 2-3 पैशनेट बच्चे होंगे जिसे कल फिल्म बनानी है, परसों फिल्म बनानी है, और एक बच्चे ऐसे आएंगे. मैं अपने कॉलेज डेज शेयर कर रहा हूँ. व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग माय मास्टर्स, हम लोग ऋषिकेश में पूरी ट्रिप जा रहे थे और हमें दिया गया था पूरा प्रोजेक्ट, और मेरे सारे बच्चे लोग, सारे दोस्त लोग, वो जो आप बोल रहे थे प्रोजेक्ट में खाली हम लोग यहाँ सपोर्ट करेंगे ये. एंड यू नो दैट कॉलेज डेज में लाइक 100 मार्क्स मिलना है. एंड आई वाज द कोऑर्डिनेटर कर दिया, एंड वी हैड 2 म्यूजिक वीडियो, 2 डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म्स एंड 1 न्यूज़पेपर. और न्यूज़पेपर वाले दिन माय एचओडी, माय डिपार्टमेंट हेड, हमने रात भर न्यूज़पेपर बनाया. एंड न्यूज़पेपर बनाते जिस दिन का न्यूज़पेपर आना था वो अगले दिन का न्यूज़पेपर था. सी हाउ पैशनेट वी वर. ठीक है.
And in our team, he was the one who used to do everything. I have to complain. We have another school problem going here as well. In our, we had to talk about it for a moment. He has a lot of experience because he has done a lot of work in Mumbai. He has worked in strict and very disciplined environment in Mumbai, and he used to do all of the thing, and other used to black out or something that's happening. What he used to do it, he used to give the responsibility to other people. What is that person good at? So sometimes if you are active enough, it's also his job to make the team comfortable. You have that leader spirit, and you need to help your team member to come into that zone, isn't it?
Yeah. And this is the experience ये हमने भी झेला. And when I was in college, HODs के सामने we got 80% in our masters, and 80% and my friends जो आपने बोला, they were like 44. यार हमारे मार्कशीट नहीं मिल रहे हैं, डीन नहीं दे रहा, HOD नहीं दे रहा, टीचर नहीं दे रहा, प्रोफेसर्स नहीं दे रहे. Reason was whatever. As a team, filmmaking is a craft where I can't do anything a single person. It's a teamwork. So आप लोग कुछ भी प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो, बी वेरी पैशनेट और मिल के करो, अच्छे से करो. एंड किसी को लगता है कि मुझे सब कुछ आता है, ये वो क्रिएटिविटी वहीं खत्म होगी. द इंडस्ट्री इज वेरी डिफरेंट. इंडस्ट्री विल काउंट यू. इफ यू आर गुड एट आल्सो, दे विल क्वेश्चन यू. इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग बेटर देन देम, देन दे विल पुट यू डाउन, एंड एट द टाइम यू विल फील, अरे मुझे तो कुछ आता ही नहीं, वेयर आई एम नाउ. सो दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर just spend a good 3 years with your professor, teacher, and जियो अपने 3 साल, but मन में एक ही चीज रखो यार. My mom and dad हैं, they have a lot बड़ा expectation है, and they might thinking कि मेरे बच्चे अब ऐसे कर रहे हैं, कल कुछ अच्छा करने वाला. and आपका मैं समझ वो कर देता हूँ, end करता हूँ. I think you will become filmmaker one day. At that time, यही problems उस समय भी झेल रहे होगे. The way she told, even I am facing now. What you will do? My editor, we have 2 editors in our film. One is my best friend, Kamlesh Paroi. Sir, I should introduce this poster maker also. He is my senior, where I got inspired, like filmmaking and all. He is from IIT Bombay, and he headed CNN IBN and all, and he was in ललित कला महाविद्यालय M.F. हुसैन ने जहाँ पर अपनी फाइन आर्ट्स की पढ़ाई की थी. सो ही इज द गाय, एंड ही डिड द कल्कि का पोस्टर. एंड हमारे पोस्टर के लिए डोंट थिंक अबाउट द बजट और समथिंग. But after this poster, Nepal se 4 film, India se 2 film, and he said straightly no. He came, he told me only one thing, dude, I will go through your film. अगर अच्छा लगे, अगर मैं कनेक्ट हुआ डूअर्स के साथ, क्योंकि मैं भी डूअर्स का हूँ, then I will do. And he did it. And his name is Anurup Kerketa. And और अभी मैं कमलेश की बात कर रहा था, एडिटर, मेन एडिटर, जिसकी अभी लास्ट फिल्म आई बागी, हाउसफुल 4, ये जवानी दीवानी, बहुत सारी हिंदी फिल्म. He's a big editor. He's best friend of mine. He came, he was there in Thurscat, देखा shoot में, he was like working as in production. And sometimes like भाई चिलकर गुस्सा मत कर ड्यूटी के साथ, राइट, वही था संभालने वाला मुझे. एंड जब फिल्म एडिट की बात की, डूड यू नो बागी में फंसा हूँ यार मैं, बागी फिल्म है एंड यू नो लाइक रिलीज डेट आगे है, व्हाट यू विल डू, ऑल द लाइनअप थिंग. एडिट में क्या होता है कि लाइनअप करते हो आप, देन यूर लाइक फिल्म एडिटर करता है, देन डायरेक्टर गो थ्रू द एडिट्स एंड ऑल, फाइनल करने के बाद सेंसर. एट दैट टाइम आई वेट फॉर 4 months for my friendship, and end of the day फिर मुंबई से कॉल आया and आज जार फिल्म का एडिटर, he's from Darjeeling, we should clap अखिलेश राय जिसने जार बनाया, जार is quite movie, and he's the editor and he's with me for 5 months, he's with me for 5 months and he never disturbed me. खाली उसे एक ही चीज है, दादा your mood is okay, yeah okay, then let's watch. And he is such a wonderful gift given by Jesus, Allah, God, जो भी हम बोलते हैं सुपर पावर, सच में वो कभी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करे. फॉर 5 months गाय. और इफ आई गो टू ऑफिस नाउ, दादा यू आर कमिंग, विल डू लंच टुगेदर, एंड इज सच अ वंडरफुल पर्सन. सो एक फिल्म बनाने के लिए टीम वर्क इज इंपॉर्टेंट. कल हम डबिंग कर रहे थे मैम और मैं, हम लोग लड़ रहे थे अंदर, बट पर्सनली नहीं, इट्स ऑल अबाउट क्रिएटिविटी. एंड व्हेन यू बिकम अ डायरेक्टर, व्हेन यू बिकम अ फिल्म मेकर और समथिंग, बी अ actor director and give a freedom to all your technicians, because director can place and order the things and visualize the thing, but काम करेगा editor ही ना, actor ही ना, and all everybody, right? So be passionate और ऐसा मत सोचो यार सब कुछ आता है. Film language is very different. I should suggest watch ऋतिक घटक के film जो आपके subject में भी है and all. You will learn something, patience, and that's the most important tool. फिल्म मेकिंग में पेशेंस नहीं होता भाई, मेरा भी नहीं होता है, सच में नहीं होता पेशेंस. एंड सबसे लॉयल्टी टू योर क्राफ्ट, यू हैव टू बी फोकस एंड लॉयल. इफ यू नॉट डू दैट, शायद धागो आज बन ही नहीं पाता. एंड दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट 3 years. एंड ये ऐसा नहीं कि सर ने 3 years में फिल्म बनाया, उस बीच में आई वाज डूइंग कमर्शियल्स फॉर गुडरेट, बेगराज, Amazon एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग. एंड आफ्टर दैट फिल्म बन रहा है, पैसे बह रहे हैं एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग. So all of my friends and all everybody, they too supported me to complete this film. Okay?
To pursue acting as their career in their regional area.
You need to understand your reason is the first step. You need to really understand what's going on in your reason, what kind of culture, what kind of mindset. So once that's the first step, once you understand that, half of the job is done. Then get the education about acting, of course, and then mix it up and express. That's all you can do. But do it honestly and have a purpose, please. Even while choosing acting, why are you acting? Like, what is the reason behind of choosing that path as a career? You need to have purpose. If you are doing something from your reasons should develop, no? It should progress through your acting also. So that should be in your head, and yeah, you're good to go.
Round of applause once again on behalf of all Arabia. I request Sujan to take over the stage.
Thank you so much for being with us here today. I'm sure the students had an enriching session with your experiences and with your stories. And if I'm not wrong, I think Suraksha ma'am, you've recently starred in a film called Khel. Yeah, I think the director, the filmmaker, is a former student of ours. So we're very proud. Now may I request everyone to kindly come forward for a group photo.
And some students can stand on the chair as opposed as for today. If you have too short to here.
Try again.